Hi, this is Amanda, and I'm going to teach you today proving the divisibilities of the numbers 2, 5, and 10. So let's go ahead and get started. The number 2. Any number that ends with a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, and an 8 will be divisible by 2. Well, let's do an example for that. Let's go with the number 28 divided by 2 equals. So because it ends in an 8, it should be divisible by 2. Let's go check that. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Cancel each other out, bring down the 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So yes, 28 is divisible by 2 because it ends in an 8. Let's do one more. Let's go with the number 36. 36 divided by 2 equals. Let's see. It ends in a number 6, so it should be divisible by 2. Let's give it a try. 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down the 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So yes, 36 is divisible by 2 because it ends in a 6. Let's move on to the next number. Let's move on to the number 5. Now, any number that ends in a 5 and a 0 should be divisible by 5. So let's take the number 65 for an example. 65 divided by 5. It ends in a 5, so it should be divisible by 5, right? Let's double check. 6 divided by 5 is 1, and that's 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down the 5, makes it 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So, 65 is divisible by 5 because it ends in a 5. Let's do one more as an example. Let's go with the number 70. 70 divided by 5. It ends in a 0, so it should be divisible by 5. Let's go check it out. 7 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down the 0. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So, yes, 70 is divisible by 5 because it ends in a 0. Let's check out the number 10. Any number that ends in a 0 is divisible by 10. Let's go ahead and check that out too. Let's go with the number 120. 120 divided by 10 equals. It ends in a 0, so it should be divisible by 10. So let's go do the math. 12 divided by 10 is 1. It gives you 10, my bad. 12 minus 10 is 2. Bring down the 0. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So yes, 120 is divisible by 10 because it ends in a 0. Let's do one more quick example. Let's go a little bit higher. Let's go with 1,750 divided by 10. Alright, 17 divided by 10 is 1, which makes it 10. So 17 minus 10 is 7. 7, you bring down the 5. So 75 divided by 10 is 7. 7 times 10 is 70, with a leftover of 5. Bring down the 0, making it 50. 50 divided by 10 is 5. So, since 1750 ends in a 0, it is divisible by 10. Alright, that's it. So, let's go ahead and recap real quick. Any number that ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 is divisible by 2. Any number that ends in a 5 or a 0 is divisible by 5. And any number that ends in a 0 is divisible by 10. That's it.